What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? It's your man Melvin, aka Dr. Money, representing the Phantom Group. And as always, I love my residual income. Now, last week I launched an event, and if you may remember or may not remember, it was the Jedi secret to earning income. And I was a Jedi and I had the cool lightsaber. And ever since I launched that event, some people have actually missed it. And I've been getting messages on my Facebook page such as, Melvin, what's that event or what's that program that you have been launching? And so to answer that, I'm going to give you guys another opportunity to literally come and check it out, because people were really excited about it, because the opportunity is out of this world. And I'm still out of this world because it was such a great launch. And the other question I get is, Melvin, what's up with that lightsaber that you had? That was kind of cool. Well, I use that kind of as a metaphor. You know, a Jedi needs a lightsaber as a tool to function, just like if we want to earn income, we need an opportunity like this to do it. And people have asked me, is that lightsaber real? Kids have asked me. And I actually have it right here. And I don't know, is it real? You be the judge. Yeah, it's pretty real. So yeah, let me put this thing away before I cut myself in half or something. So look, I'm going to travel back to planet Earth, and I'm going to share with you Earthlings some really great information about this launch and why you want to attend, because we're going to be giving away something that you really don't want to miss, over $50,000 worth of prizes. So let me just kind of go back to planet Earth and use some type of portal, and I'm going to see you guys in my office. Okay, I finally made it. What a trip. Hope you guys are entertained by that. Well, listen, if you are looking for a way to earn money without leaving your house, this is an event that you definitely want to attend. As a matter of fact, if you like earning money while being at home and doing things that you normally do, then give this video a like on Facebook or on YouTube, just to let me know you love making money while living life. But anyway, what we're going to show you on this launch is, number one, we're going to show you how to get a free bonus that we're giving away to anyone that takes advantage of this opportunity. And then we're going to show you a little bit about who we are as the Phantom Group, how to become part of our exclusive club of Phantom Group members who are actually participating in opportunities that give them the best chance to earn a profit while being at home. Also, I'm going to reveal to you the name of the opportunity, and I know what you're thinking. Well, what type of results have you been getting? What type of results can be achieved? Well, I can tell you, on a very spare time basis with this opportunity, I have literally been earning about $100 per hour in profit whenever I choose to participate and work this opportunity, meaning that whenever I choose to send traffic to it or whenever I choose to participate. And imagine coming into the 1st of July when your bills are due, when rent is due, and I came to the 1st of July with a nice surprise, a nice bonus from this opportunity. As a matter of fact, here's a check I just received for $960.05. Now that is a real authentic check. I won't show you the company, but I just want to show you that this opportunity does pay. So on the 1st of the month, I had nearly $1,000 in my mailbox waiting on me. But that's not it. I actually have more commissions that actually came in. So what I want to do is I want to take you to my back office just to show you something I'm doing in my very spare time, how literally the first 12 days of this month, I'm literally averaging $100 per day in profit. And again, if you like having money like that come into your bank account or the potential to do that, then this is something that you want to see exactly how we're doing this. And again, I'm not guaranteeing that everyone will make income, because I have no idea what your work ethic is. I have no idea what your participation level is. Again, like anything else, if you do nothing, you get nothing. But in this type of opportunity, if you do a little bit, you can actually get some great results. So let me take you over to my back office and just show you what I've been able to achieve with this opportunity, with our system that we have that you can actually plug into within the first few days in July. Okay, folks, we're in my back office and I simply just want to show you the commission that I've gotten so far in July. I'm trying to kind of hide all the details because I don't want to spoil the fun for you. I want to wait till you get on the opportunity so you can see everything full-fledged. But let me just go to my commission report. I'm gonna go down here to the details, and as you see, well, you see for the first parts of June, but on July 1st, $960.05, which was, again, this check right here that I just showed you, $960.05, as you see it again here. And then that was the 1st of July. Imagine being greeted like that with a nice check. And then on July the 8th, I got another check for about $100. And then on July 9th, another check for about $300. So that's literally almost $1,460 in just passive income that is coming in each time. So the reason why I want you to attend is because I believe that with this opportunity, anyone can earn about $100 a day or more if they follow our system. And I definitely believe that you guys are capable of doing that. So I definitely want to show you exactly what we're doing. So with that said, don't miss this launch. Make sure you mark it on your calendars. It will be 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Thursday. Again, click the link below or visit plantobepaid.com to register and attend this really great event. And we're going to show you exactly how you can be a part of this and potentially start earning some money of your own. So with that said, folks, make sure you register. Thank you for attending, and we'll see you Thursday at 9 p.m. sharp. And make sure you bring a guest, because anyone that you care about is definitely want to be interested in earning some additional income without having to leave their house. Thanks, folks. Appreciate you. See you at 9 p.m.